Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get a Salesforce free trial. This is a great way to explore Salesforce and learn how the platform works before committing to a paid plan. Let's get started. On the Salesforce dashboard, all we need to do is click the Start for Free button or choose the option shown here. Once we select it, we will be taken to a form. Here, we just need to fill in the form. For example, we can click the Company section. If we have 1 to 20 employees, we select that option and move on to the next step. Next, we need to enter our email address and phone number, then agree to start the free trial. Once that is done, we wait for Salesforce to set up our account. This may take a moment to load. After that, all we need to do is confirm our email, and we can begin our free trial. From here, we can start exploring Salesforce and build our skills hands-on.